What's he gonna
say goodbye to Dean's mailbox.
Oh. Is that bad when you're stuck in your own yard? We need to shuffle some iron around. Alright. Hold on. Alright. The old R model hasn't moved in years. We're trying to do a little cleanup alongside here. So I asked some guys to move it. The Komatsu. Oh yeah, nothing to it. We're sliding some brakes, I see. Well, the other side's turning. I just don't know how we're going to stick it back there or what we're going to do with it. Well, Spiff wanted to use the skidder to remove this brush, but they were kind of blocked in, so we decided that it would be better if Dean used the Timber King to grab these and carry them out of there and stick them over in the woods.